Okay, I could not end the show without talking about the devastating wildfires that are going on along the West Coast. So many people have lost their homes, people have lost their lives, so many animals have died. These are some of the worst wildfires that we've ever seen, and we want to help. So our friends at Shutterfly, of course, are going to step up again. Shutterfly is my longest standing partner. I appreciate them so much. They're committed to helping people throughout every moment of their lives. And today, they're donating $50,000 to direct relief that supports fire relief for all the wildfires. Thank you so much, Shutterfly. If you're in a position to help, please go to my website, find out how you can donate. Thank you so much, Shutterfly. Thank you to the firefighters who are working around the clock to try to stop these fires. If you're in one of the areas affected, we are thinking about you and sending love. Please stay safe.